Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we have this cool, amazing product right here in my hand. Let's actually open it up and show you guys what it is first. So when you guys first open the product itself, they give you an instruction card, and you can see on the instruction card, it tells you guys what it is. So basically what it is a webcam that's used for gaming, streaming, doing YouTube, whatever you guys want to. That's up to you guys. But here is the actual product itself. Let's take this part out. So this is what the product looks like. As you can see, there's a little camera right there, there's a built-in mic, there's a protective screen right here for the actual product itself because it's brand new. This part is actually foldable right here, so you can clamp it onto your screen or whatever. You guys also have the option on the bottom part right here to kind of screw it onto a tripod or something if you guys want to use that option. So the cable that they use to plug it in is a USB cable, so all you guys have to do is plug this onto your laptop, your computers or whatever, and then start streaming, recording or whatever. So the image quality on here is supposed to be 1080p, but we'll find out whether or not that is true or not in a second. Definitely one cool option about this product is the fact that this part is actually rotatable, so you guys can turn it side by side, you guys can turn it up and down, you guys can turn it around like this if you guys want to as well, so that's pretty cool. As for the mic itself, it's supposed to be really good because it has a built-in noise reduction technology in it, so we'll find out whether that is true when we do the test later. And then for the camera itself, it uses a wide angle lens, so you guys can see a lot more of its surrounding, which is pretty awesome. It also has an autofocus technology built into the actual camera itself. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. The only way for us to actually find out when it actually works and how well it works is to actually go test it out. So let's actually go through a quick test of the product first, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so we have the product all plugged in, and see the indicator light is here. Let's give it a try and see how it works.
So this is basically what the product looks like. You just have the actual microphone built in and the actual self as you see, that's super good on everything, but the audio doesn't sound too good on this mic. So we're going to try it without the actual audio from the actual itself, and then try with the actual device on my MacBook Pro. Alright, so this is basically what the product sounds like and looks like with the microphone and also the webcam that's on the actual product itself. So if you guys can hear, it actually sounds a lot better on here versus the actual mic that's built onto the actual webcam itself. So that's what you guys will have to expect on the actual audio on the actual webcam itself. It's not that great, but if you guys use the mic on your built-in laptop or any other device, then it most likely will sound better. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you guys saw the test of the product, you can see it actually does work and it works quite well. It definitely is recording from a 1080p image quality if you can see in the test itself. So that's pretty much everything that's on the product itself. Now that we did a quick unboxing and testing of the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I would definitely have to say that this is worth it if you guys want one or need one. Especially if you guys are doing like streaming on like Twitch, or if you guys are doing YouTube videos for makeup or something like that. This is definitely really worth it in those cases because it's so small and portable. And I feel like this is especially useful right now since we're all like shelter in place at home, and a lot of people have to do like video conferences or whatever, and they don't have a good camera or whatever to do it. This would definitely be a good product in those situations. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want one or don't need one or have no use for one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for this little quick unboxing and testing of the product itself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day we have